and appreciate him for taking lead in organizing this preventive health care and infection control expo. It's a good initiative. So congratulations to the entire council for taking up this expo.
Today we have inaugurated THIC 2020. This is an expo cum conference which is dedicated in order to take care of the current pandemic which is going on already for 9 months.
This is a 3-day exposition cum conference organized by HITEX in association with some great partners such as Infection Control Academy of India, Telangana Facility Management Council, Telangana Recognized School Management Association, Telangana State Hotel Associations, Indian Medical Associations, Pharma Excels, you name the association, they are on board. In fact, our objective is to help people to reopen their business and get back into the new normal. They are best of technology from all over the globe. They are exhibiting their products here. We are expecting 4,000 visitors over the period of 3 days, and hopefully everybody will have a great show.
Today we are all gathering here in HITEX for an expo. It's called the Prevention Healthcare Infection Control Expo 2020. Along with me, a lot of industries are also joining hands. The IT fraternity is joining hands, FM fraternity is joining hands. Around 400 plus companies are participating on a physical and a virtual expo. And for all the service the IT has extended, we are felicitating all the companies who came forward and supported the frontline warriors.
The Telangana Facilities Management Council gave a lot of support to the police. So my department is grateful to the Telangana Facilities Management Council for supporting us. Today I am very happy to know that all those warriors and all those heroes who have supported us being facilitated. My congratulations.
My name is Krishna Yedula, General Secretary, Cyberabad Security Council. We are well associated with TFMC and various other organizations who are organizing this mega event in Hyderabad, which is a hybrid event, both in person as well as on virtual platform. I think this event is very much needed during these current times. It will create a platform to share the best practices and also learn about latest innovations in the field of infection control and preventive healthcare.